Looking for an all-inclusive Mexican paradise where you can kick back with a margarita in hand while the kids splash around safely nearby? Let me tell you about Barceló Gran Faro Los Cabos, a stunning beachfront resort that sits right on the famous Medano Beach in Cabo San Lucas. This place has been welcoming guests since 1998, and after a major renovation completed in 2023, it is looking fresher than ever. The resort sprawls across 12 hectares of prime real estate, featuring 4 infinity pools, direct beach access, and architecture inspired by lighthouse motifs that give it a distinctive character. With a solid 4.5-star rating and consistently high marks from guests on platforms like Booking and TripAdvisor, this property has earned its reputation as one of the top all-inclusive destinations in Los Cabos. The resort caters primarily to families and couples looking for that perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment, all wrapped up in one convenient package where pretty much everything is included. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need to escape the daily grind, this place offers something for everyone without breaking the bank. Let me walk you through the accommodation options at Barceló Gran Faro Los Cabos, because choosing the right room can make or break your vacation experience. The resort offers 358 rooms and suites spread across 5 main categories, each designed to suit different needs and budgets. Starting with the deluxe room, you get 43 square meters of comfortable space that can sleep up to 4 people, making it perfect for small families. These rooms come with either a king bed or 2 queens, and every single one has a private balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee while taking in views of the ocean, pool, or gardens. The amenities list is impressive for a base-level room. You get air conditioning that actually works well, a minibar that gets restocked daily with soft drinks and beer, a coffee maker for those early mornings, a safe for your valuables, a smart television with streaming capabilities, and reliable Wi-Fi throughout. The bathroom features a rain shower that feels absolutely luxurious after a day in the sun, plus they provide all the toiletries you need. One clever touch is the motion sensor lighting, which means you won't be stumbling around in the dark when you get up at night. The rooms got a fresh update during the renovation with bright blue accents that echo the ocean outside and modern furniture that looks great in photos. Moving up the ladder, the premium oceanfront rooms give you 48 square meters and, as the name suggests, direct views of the Sea of Cortez. These rooms feature king beds, larger balconies where you can actually spread out, and some upgraded perks like bathrobes, a premium liquor selection in the minibar, and an espresso machine for the coffee snobs among us. Some of these rooms even offer swim-up access, meaning you can literally step from your patio right into the pool. The junior suites bump things up to 55 square meters and include a separate living area with a sofa bed, making them ideal if you need a bit more space or are traveling with older kids who want their own zone. You also get a walk-in closet and nightly turn-down service that includes little treats on your pillow. For families who need serious space, the family suite is where it is at. At 70 square meters, these units feature 2 bedrooms, one with a king bed and another with twins plus bunk beds for the kids. There is a living and dining area, a kitchenette for snacks, and even an Xbox console to keep the young ones entertained on those rare moments when they are not at the pool or beach. These suites can accommodate up to 6 people, so even larger families can stay together comfortably. At the top of the range sits the master suite, a 90 square meter 2-story loft that feels more like a luxury apartment than a hotel room. You get a king master bedroom, a separate guest room, a jacuzzi tub, and the real showstopper, a private rooftop terrace with panoramic ocean views. This suite includes butler service, a wine cooler, and enough space to truly spread out and live like royalty for a week. All rooms across all categories come with the essentials like hairdryers, irons, pillow menus if you are particular about your sleep comfort, and daily housekeeping. The design throughout emphasizes clean lines, light colors, and those pops of blue and green that remind you that you are on vacation by the sea. Now let us talk about food and drinks, because at an all-inclusive resort, the dining experience can make or break your stay. Barceló Gran Faro Los Cabos takes this seriously with 6 restaurants and 4 bars, all included in your package. The main hub is El Faro, the international buffet restaurant that seats 400 people and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. This is where you will find the most variety, with seafood stations featuring fresh catches, Mexican taco bars where you can build your own creations, grilled meats cooked to order, and a surprisingly good selection of vegan and vegetarian options. The buffet changes themes throughout the week, with Mexican night on Wednesdays being particularly popular. The space itself is bright and airy with ocean views from many of the tables, and the staff keeps everything clean and well-stocked even during the busiest meal times. For a more intimate dining experience, Tequila Restaurant serves authentic Mexican cuisine a la carte style. Open for dinner from 6 to 11, this 80-seat venue requires reservations, which you can make through the hotel app. The menu features all the classics done right, from fresh ceviche that practically melts in your mouth to rich mole poblano and breakfast favorites like chilaquiles served at dinner, because why not? They do Taco Tuesdays with special creations, and the sunset views from the terrace are absolutely stunning. If you are a sushi fan, the Japanese Fusion Sushi Bar will be your happy place. Open for dinner from 6 to 10, this 50-seat spot serves everything from traditional nigiri to creative tempura rolls and steaming bowls of ramen. They even offer sushi-making classes if you want to learn the art yourself. The presentation is Instagram-worthy with fresh rolls served on slate plates and a neon-lit counter that gives the space a cool, modern vibe. Ristorante Bella brings Italian flavors to the beach with wood-fired pizzas, handmade pasta, and tiramisu that guests rave about in their reviews. This 70-seat restaurant also requires reservations and has a smart casual dress code, meaning you should probably wear something nicer than your beach shorts. They offer wine pairings with meals, and the candlelit terrace creates a romantic atmosphere perfect for special occasions. For more casual fare, the Beach Grill operates for lunch and dinner from noon to 10, serving up burgers, grilled lobster, fresh salads, and whatever the catch of the day happens to be. With seating for 100 and no reservation required, this is perfect for those times when you want good food without any fuss. The BBQ nights here are legendary, with smoke wafting across the pool area and making everyone hungry. As for bars, the Stars Bar in the lobby serves cocktails from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning, specializing in margaritas that pack a punch and craft beers from local Mexican breweries. They have a live DJ on Friday and Saturday nights, and the sunset views from here are some of the best in the resort. The swim-up bar at the main pool means you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink, and beach waiters will bring food and beverages right to your lounger on the sand. The all-inclusive package covers pretty much all food and drinks, including premium liquors, though some super high-end bottles might cost extra. The variety means you could stay for a week and never eat at the same place twice, though some guests who stay longer mention that the buffet can get a bit repetitive. The pool and beach facilities at Barceló Gran Faro Los Cabos are honestly the stars of the show, and this is where the resort really shines compared to competitors. There are 4 distinct infinity pools, each serving a different purpose and vibe. The main family pool is massive at 1,200 square meters, with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, making it safe for kids while still deep enough for adults to actually swim. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, cabanas available for rent if you want some shade and privacy, and plenty of loungers surrounding the deck. The atmosphere here is lively and social, with music playing and families enjoying themselves throughout the day. For adults seeking peace and quiet, there is a dedicated adults-only pool spanning 800 square meters with a depth of 1.3 meters. This space has a much more relaxed vibe with softer music, attentive service, and a rule against loud games or activities. It is perfect for reading a book, taking a nap, or just floating around with a cocktail in hand. The kids get their own splash pool at 300 square meters, featuring shallow water perfect for toddlers and young children, plus water slides that provide hours of entertainment. Parents can relax on nearby loungers while keeping an eye on the little ones. Finally, there is a quiet wellness pool at 500 square meters designed for those who want to swim laps or practice water exercises without the party atmosphere. All pools are open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, and towel service is included, so you do not need to bring your own or worry about running out. The pools are cleaned nightly and maintained to high standards, with lifeguards on duty during peak hours. But the real treasure here is the beach access. Barceló Gran Faro sits right on Medano Beach, which is famous for being one of the few swimmable beaches in Cabo San Lucas. Many beaches in the area have dangerous currents and undertows, but Medano is protected and safe for swimming. The resort has 300 meters of private beach frontage with white golden sand that is cleaned daily. The water is that stunning blue-green color you see in postcards, and the gentle waves make it perfect for kids and nervous swimmers. Beach loungers and umbrellas are set up each morning, and you can claim your spot early or show up whenever and usually find space. The beach waiters are fantastic, bringing drinks and food right to your chair so you never have to leave your prime spot. As for activities, the resort provides kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling equipment completely free of charge. The snorkeling is decent right off the beach, though serious snorkelers might want to book one of the boat tours to better spots. For an additional fee, you can try banana boat rides, jet skiing, parasailing, and other water sports through vendors who set up on the beach. The beach has lifeguards on duty daily, and the staff are quick to help if you need anything. One thing guests consistently praise in reviews is how the combination of multiple pools and beach access means that crowding is rarely an issue. Even during peak season, you can find a quiet spot somewhere. The views from both the pools and beach are spectacular, with the famous rock formations of Land's End visible in the distance and pelicans diving for fish throughout the day. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.